Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Xfinity account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now to log into your Xfinity account, first open your preferred browser on your desktop or your computer, and on the search bar click there and search for Xfinity Wi-Fi login and hit enter. And on the first result of the Google page, you can see the Xfinity's login page, official login page. Click there and you will be redirected to the sign in page of Xfinity, and you can see the email and mobile or username section of the Xfinity. You can see the login page of the Xfinity. You can just directly put your email, mobile or username over here and click on let's go, and you will be required to enter your password at the next page and enter your password to sign into your Xfinity account. And there guys, this is how you sign into your Xfinity account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.